As the 21st century began, human evolution was at a turning point.
Here's another stupid video. Thanks for watching. Lever action Rich here with my trusty Henry 22 Magnum lever action. So this CCI Maxi Mag 22 WMR HP V. This is some pretty punchy little stuff. Jacketed hollow points plus V, 2300 FPS. But I didn't notice it earlier when I'd made a video shooting some stuff out back, and I went out a little while ago and picked up these little steel targets that I shot, and they've got some pretty good little caverns in them from that 22 Win Mag. So I think this is a 440 steel or AR 400. I don't remember exactly, but it's definitely not AR 500. But you can see here, this AR 500 is going to well, it's not Gill's target, but it's the same kind of steel. The AR 500 didn't do anything to it, just left the stuff on it, but no real marks on it. But yeah, I just thought that was interesting, how powerful that stuff is.
Enjoy your extra big ass fries.